Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Now I'm super pumped about Baked Beans Reloaded. I did a review video about it, so you can check that out. There's a link in the description of this video if you want to check out my full review on it. But yes, Baked Beans is back. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys, because a lot of you have been asking how to connect with Trust Wallets. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So pretty much what you need to do is first just open Trust Wallet. So let me just go ahead and open the app. Okay, and you need to deposit some BNB into your BNB on Trust Wallet. So you can hit the search and you can put in BNB. It's actually this one over here, but I'll go ahead and type it in here. Yeah, so if you type in BNB here, is the BNB Smart Chain. So this is the one here. So I click on it, BNB Smart Chain. And that's where, see right now, I use MetaMask to connect. So I don't use Trust Wallet. So I'm just doing this just to show you guys. But you would deposit your BNB in here. Okay, so get your BNB into Trust Wallet. That's the first step. Okay. All right. So once you have BNB in here, all you got to do is go over to the browser right here. So you click the browser. And then here you're going to paste in my URL. Okay, so I will paste that in here. So paste in my URL. And then all you're gonna do after that is you're gonna go to it, search, and it'll take you straight to the Baked Beans Reloaded site. Okay, so from here you just have to click the three dots at the top right. It might be a little bit different for iPhone, but I have three dots at the top right, and then switch the chain where it says EVM chain Ethereum. Switch that, so click that and click BNB Smart Chain. Okay, so now it's on BNB Smart Chain. You can see that here. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and click on, see, it's not showing me anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on connect, and it says, hey, you know, wants to connect to Baked Beans Reloaded, wants to connect to your wallet. So you just click on connect here. And boom, that's how it is. So if I had BNB in here, it would show you guys like the BNB, and then you'd be able to you know, rebake, and you'd be able to, you know, eat beans and stuff like that. So I show you a full step-by-step video guide how to get started. So you can actually follow the video guide, but this is how to connect your Trust Wallet to Baked Beans Reloaded, because I know a lot of you were asking me that question. So you can do it with Trust Wallet. That's exactly how you would connect. Okay, so you can check out again the links below this video. It has step-by-step video instructions on, you know, what to do next, and you know how to get everything working and stuff like that. It is made for MetaMask, but you can still follow the same instructions just using Trust Wallet. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach me out on Telegram. With that said, have a great day and God bless. Bye.